Today I have this Amazon Mindy padlock with what I thought was a standard slider lock, but it turns out that it is a slider style wafer. So either way, you still pick it somewhat the same way. There we go. I'm gonna use this for the tension, and it's really tricky. I gotta have it off to the left here. Oops, get some more light going here. That's better. Alright, if it'll stay focused, we'll be good to go. Pin 1 rests really far to the left, so this tensioner can interfere with it if it's too far to the right. I think I got it though. I'm just using a half diamond. It's a very shallow diamond. There's not a lot of room in this, so just kind of gotta go with what you can. There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, this bad boy can't be gutted. I'd have to drill out that pin right there, which wouldn't be that hard, but you know, really, what's the point? So yeah, it's a pretty ginormous padlock. 70 millimeter. Here's a Padlock 90A Pro. So yeah. All right, thank you for watching and have a good day.